Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the Google Docs file permanently on your Google Docs mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So, how to delete a file permanently on your Google Docs mobile application. So, you just need to click on this three dot. I just want to delete this file permanently. Scroll down, you will see an option called remove. So, this will remove the file from your profile, but it goes to the trash bin. Click on the three dot and goes to the trash bin. Here you can see a lot of files, deleted files are here. So it will be permanently deleted after 30 days of you remove from the profile. So if you want to delete it permanently immediately, just click on this three dot option. You will see delete forever option, which actually delete this file permanently from your profile and from your account. So if you want to delete any file permanently, first of all click on the remove option on the profile, then come here to the just click on this three dot, go to the trash bin, click on that file and delete forever, which actually delete the file permanently. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.